How to replace the external water filter in your LG refrigerator. Does the dispensed water or ice taste strange? Is water dispensing slowly or is ice production low? This could mean it's time to replace your external water filter. We recommend changing your water filter every 6 months. Your fridge will display this icon when it's time to change your water filter as well. A light will display just before the filter reaches its limit. Changing the filter on time ensures that you always get fresh and clean water from the appliance. First, unplug your appliance. Also turn off the water supply to the appliance. Find the external water filter on the back side of the refrigerator. Remove the disposable water filter and replace it with a new one. First, remove the safety clip from the filter. Then, push and hold the collet to unlock the water tube. Do the same for the other side as well. Connect the new, genuine water filter to the refrigerator. Press and hold the collet and connect the water tubes. Then lock it with a safety clip. Do the same for the other side as well. Turn the water supply to the appliance back on and plug it back in. Press and hold the water filter button for 3 seconds to reset the replacement filter sensor. Congratulations! Your new water filter has been installed and activated. Please make sure that all parts are replaced with genuine LG parts to ensure the optimal quality of the appliance.